Why order takeout when you can make super delicious beef lo mein in just 15 minutes? Stick around and I'll show you some tricks that makes it better than takeout. Guaranteed. Cut the onion, cabbage, scallions, and garlic. In a mixing bowl, add the ground beef. Season it with soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Mix well. To make the stir-fry sauce, add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken stock. You can also use water. Whisk. Set aside. We are using fresh lo mein noodles, which are available in the refrigerated section of most Asian supermarkets. If you can't find them, don't worry. You can replace them with udon, ramen, linguine, or angel hair pasta. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the lo mein noodles in the pot and cook for about 3 minutes, or just until al dente. Be careful not to overcook. They will continue to cook during stir-frying. Transfer the noodles to a bowl of cold water to stop cooking and prevent sticking. Drain the noodles. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the ground beef. Stir-fry until completely cooked through and lightly brown for about 3 minutes. Remove from the wok. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Toss in the onion and cabbage. Stir-fry for about 1 minute. Add the garlic and stir-fry until aromatic. Remove from the wok. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the lo mein noodles and stir-fry until completely heated through. If it's possible, always use high heat for that authentic wok. Return the ground beef, onion, cabbage, and sauce. Stir-fry for about 1 minute until well combined. Lastly, stir in the bean sprouts and scallions. Toss to combine. That's it! Dinner is done in 15 minutes. This beef lo mein is one of my family's weeknight favorites. And I hope it becomes one of yours too. If you like to make super tasty chicken lo mein, check out the video right here. Quick and easy, super delicious. Better than any takeout places. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. Everything's easy to follow and step by step. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!